NGI 6200 series is a programmable DC electronic load with high accuracy, high reliability and high cost performance. Standard 19-inch 2U chassis, available for rack installation. Operation mode CC, CV, CP, CR. Stable and reliable CR, CP function supported by hardware. Programmable sequence test function ACQ, up to 100 groups sequence files, up to 50 steps per file, supporting charge-discharge test, OCP test, short-circuit simulation, editable WOM function, and timing of loading function. Supporting LAN, RS-232, CAN, communication and SysPI commands. Supporting local control via button and remote control on PC.